Report.
Meeting him at his home, Evans Fundi, a graduate of Karatina University with a bachelor's degree in horticulture, farming and management, opted to escalate his fourth-year project to his farm after discovering muguka plants were affected by the same scales that he was working on back in school. All these trials began after Fundi failed to secure a job after he graduated, prompting him to find something constructive to do after several months of confinement at home due to the cessation of movement after COVID-19 struck.
I decided to major in this skills-based. So in my literature review, I started going on, how are these skills controlled? That time there was no chemical which was recommended for this treatment, but now I decided to use the science behind how I can control them. How do you need to control them? The form of chemical which you need to use, systematic or contact. So I found that for you to control this pest, you have to come up with a chemical which will cause the pest that it suffocates.
With a few trials already done revealing near-perfect results, treating some of the diseases that farmers grapple with, including scales that affect plants, causing them to shed down their leaves and consume most of water, leaving the plant dry, which leads to low yields.
When you water your plant, most of water is used by those scales. It's not the plant. That's the main problem about that disease. Again, it makes the plant to lose its vigor.
In our interview, Fundi further revealed that his innovation is purely organic, as the technology involves extracting some oil from neem plants mixed with other extracts from trees.
These chemicals, I do some extracts. Sometimes I go in the bush look for some plants like neem plants.
Apart from treating scales, the extracts control red mites, scales, stripes, leaf miners and most insect pests that attack muguka stimulants. Diana Njoki, a relative to Fundi, said the results from the trials were commendable and urged the government to pick the biotechnology to assist muguka farmers.
Tangu nianze kununusia hii dawa ilikunja ikanisaidia juu mera ilikuwa inakaa kama kuni na hata matawi ilikuwa inaanguka. Juu ilikuwa imenyonywa maji, hakuna maji ilikuwa inapitia, juu ikikauka hakuna kitu ilikuwa inaletea, kwa hiyo ilikuwa ni hasara tupu.
Fundi may have provided the light at the end of the tunnel for farmers, but has a long way to go to have his extracts tested and approved by regulatory bodies in Kenya. With these trials having worked fine, Fundi says he's in the process of applying for approval by Kenya Bureau of Standards (KEBS) and start a research center at his village to help muguka farmers reduce the cost of production and increase yields. Moige William,